Welcome to the software journey with GKey, data warehousing concepts with real-time interview questions and answers. Lesson 2, the difference between OLAP and OLTP systems.
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about the difference between OLTP and OLAP systems. First, we'll see what is OLTP systems. OLTP means online transaction processing systems, which are used to handle day-to-day operations like sales, billing, banking transactions, ticket booking, etc. Coming to the characteristics of OLTP, that is online transaction processing systems, these handles large number of short transactions. These are highly normalized databases with 3NF rules. Fast insert, update and delete operations used to takes place in these systems. These systems supports real-time operations and data is current and frequently updated. That means these systems maintain the current data. There won't be historical data in these OLTP systems, and these are frequently updated. There would be many uses for these systems like concurrent access. For example, if you take ATM transactions, retail billing, online shopping carts, railway or flight ticket bookings, there might be many users. For example, if you take an example of ATM transaction, per day thousands and many transactions used to happen for a particular ATM mission. That means for a particular mission there would be many users. In this way, these are the different examples for OLTP systems. Coming to the diagram of OLTP system, it is online transaction apps. By using sales app, billing app and banking apps, the database is with normalized tables. From all these apps, the data is going to be stored in OLTP databases by using insert, update and delete operations. This is a simple diagram with different OLTP apps. The data is going to be stored in OLTP databases with normalized tables. And coming to the next slide, here we can see what is OLAP system. OLAP systems means online analytical processing systems are used for analysis, reporting, dashboards or business decisions. Coming to the key characteristics of OLAP systems, these systems handles large volume of historical data. This is the main point here. The OLAP systems maintain the historical data, whereas OLTP systems maintain the current data. These systems read heavy queries by using select with aggregations. Aggregations means sum, average, minimum, maximum kind of aggregations we can have by using the select operations. These systems uses star and snowflake schemas. We'll be discussing about these schemas in the next coming classes. Data is denormalized for the performance, whereas OLTP systems maintains normalized data and OLAP systems maintain the denormalized form of performance. That is, there will be very less joins compared to the OLTP systems here in these systems. These systems supports business intelligence, and these systems used to have few users like analysts and managers. That means once the data got stored in the data warehousing, by using the different reports, the analysts and managers, they'll make decisions on their business. And coming to the examples of these systems are sales analysis, profitability dashboards, forecasting and trend analysis, performance KPIs. These are the different examples. Let us see the sales analysis. That means for any sales project, every day there would be like lakhs of transactions. All that data is get into the data warehousing. Based on that historical data, they'll make some of the reports which show them the sales analysis. Based on that analysis, they'll make the decisions. They means the analysis and management of the particular business or organization. Coming to the diagram of this OLAP system, there would be different source systems like ERP, CRM, OLTP database. That means here the OLTP databases are like source systems for the OLAP systems. You can see like this. and other things like Excel files, web logs, APIs. These are all different data sources. By using ETL tools like Informatica, Data Stage, SSIS, the data is going to be extracted and placed in data warehousing systems. By using ETL, that means extract, transform and load operations, the data is get into the fact tables like sales, finance and inventory, and dimension tables like date, product, customer, etc. And these tables maintain the historical and aggregated data. Based on this data, by using the semantic model like BI reporting tools like OLAP, Power BI is one of the reporting tool. In the same way, Tableau, SSRS, SSAS is used for cubes creation, Excel pivot. These are the different tools we can use for the visualizations of the data by using the different dashboards and reports. Once dashboards and reports created, analysts and managers, they are going to make use of those dashboards and reports and they'll make decisions on their business. And coming to the final slide, here we can see the clear difference between OLTP and OLAP systems. Let us see the difference one by one here. First, coming to the features full form, OLTP is online transaction processing, whereas OLAP is online analytical processing. The purpose of OLTP system, it maintains day-to-day operations, whereas for analytical and reporting purposes, we are going to use OLAP systems. Data type, what type of data is stored in OLTP is current data is used to store in OLTP systems, whereas historical data is used to store in OLAP systems. Operations are like insert, update, delete operations happens in OLTP systems, whereas complex select queries happens in OLAP systems. And performance point is fast transactions used to happen in OLTP systems, fast query processing happens in OLAP systems. And coming to the schemas, OLTP systems are normalized with 3 NF rules, whereas OLAP systems are denormalized with star and snowflake schema models. Coming to the users, OLTP systems used to have operational staff, whereas OLAP system used to have analysts, managers for the report analysis. Coming to the example, OLTP systems examples are like banking and retail. These systems used to have lakhs of transactional data, whereas OLAP systems sales dashboards and forecasting. Once data got loaded into OLAP systems, we can see the sales dashboards and forecasting for sales domain. In the same way, we can have banking and retail and insurance domains in the real world projects. I think you got some idea about what is OLTP system and what is OLAP system and what are the differences between OLTP and OLAP systems. Thank you.
Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT profession with us.